You may think this is Bridgerton, but it's actually JLo's birthday party with a Bridgerton theme. Want to know who designed her gorgeous gown? Watch till the end. This magnificent gown, straight out of Bridgerton series, had a corset worn with a Victorian skirt constructed using vintage brocade. The custom couture corset and Victorian skirt featured floral motifs molded by hand from sequins and over 500,000 crystals. The extravagant ensemble was crafted by 40 artisans over 3,490 hours and is a celebration of intricate artistry and Indian craftsmanship. This piece of art, which Jennifer Lopez chose to wear for her birthday party, was designed by our very own Manish Malhotra. A big round of applause for the Bollywood's favorite designer. Don't you agree? Comment yes or no.